Mga excipients. Sabi nga po, what you see is definitely what you get. Maliwanag pa rin ba tayo? So, maganda bang produkto natin? Guys, ito pa sa magandang usapan. Tingnan mo buti yan. Pwede mo ba natin itaas ang mga daliri natin? Lahat po tayo. Okay, wala example po. Now, may procedure po kung tawagin endoscopy. Ulit pa natin tawag dito? Endoscopy. Sa dulo po ng endoscope, may camera. Saan po nakakabit yan? TV or monitor. Saan po pinapasok? Either you're going to insert it inside your mouth or inside your nose. Maliwanag po. But usually inside the mouth. Saan magtatapos yan? Stomach. Why? They have compared their product with the 3 leading multivitamins. And what have they proven, people? In a matter of 15 minutes, tunaw agad ang produkto natin. Pagkatunaw, pasok na intestines, mas marami pong na-absorb na si 24/7. But with the other products, people, ano nangyari po? Inabot po tayo 1 oras at kalahati 2 oras bago po natunaw. And don't why they need to explain. Guys, some of us inside this room may be suffering from dumping syndrome. Again, ulitin natin, tawag dito? Dumping syndrome. Ang tanong, ano ang dumping syndrome? Guys, sobrang bilis gumalaw ng bituka. Yung absorption ng product, hindi na halos makuha. So isipin nyo, no? If you're suffering from dumping syndrome, and you have taken a tablet na 2 oras bago matunaw, ano kaya pwedeng mangyari? At biglaan kumain. Wala pang 20 minutes, takbuhan ng banyo. Bakit? Defecation. And you might be surprised why. Baka pagtingin mo sa feces mo, kasama produkto mo. Naliwanag ba tayo doon? Ano yung sabihin nun? Sayang ho yung produktong ininom natin. Mura nga, iba naman na nakinabang. But think, even if you're suffering from dumping syndrome, with our product C24/7, guys, in less than 20 minutes, natunaw, na-absorb ng katawan natin yung pong component ng produktong C24/7. So, ang tanong ko, maganda bang C24/7? Guys, with C24/7, can we prevent diseases from happening inside our body? With C24/7, can we improve the immune system? With C24/7, can we improve the immune system? And of course, pati na rin po metabolism. Guys, can we prevent cancer from happening inside our body? Maganda ba ang C24/7? Kaya ba tayo niyan? Paano pa natin ang C24/7? Wow! Pag ito po nakikita ko, lahat kayo ang tingin ko sexy. Kita pala nito, katawan nyo na, ano po. Ito po. Tingnan to, nako, hindi na ho kasya si Lia, no? Ba't palang ho yan, no? And also this one. Nalaman mo yan ng Miss Universe, okay? Pero kidding aside, people, simpleng tanungan ako. Gusto nyo ba maging ganito ka-sexy ang katawan nyo? Hindi ko. Ang tawag dito, obese. Pwede po natin, ang tawag dito, obese. Okay. Kung maganda po, tingnan. Maganda lang tingnan. Pero no, kasi hindi maganda sa katawan. Maliwanag po tayo. Guys, we have a wonderful product. Okay? And the name of the product is Slim and Trim. People, sabi ko na ito, anong kagandahan ng meron sa Slim and Trim? Why the need to take the product is Slim and Trim? Okay. Ano niyo mabuti, ha? With Slim and Trim, people, may mga components po yan. Okay? Slim and Trim. What will be the components, people? First, eto ha. Glucomannan extract that can be derived from konjac plants. Anong kagandahan po ng glucomannan extract? Ganito lang kasimple yan. It's in capsule preparation. As you take the capsule, be sure to follow it with 2 to 3 glasses of water. Yung glucomannan po pala, malakas humatak ng tubig. Okay? So pagpasok po ng sikmura, naging gel po kaagad. So ano nangyayari? There will be a sense of fullness. Siyempre kung busog ka, may gana ka ba kumain? Wala na. Tama ko tayo doon. So patiping appetite mo, nawawala na rin. Pero maganda po dito, hindi lang po konjac plant, hindi lang po glucomannan extract ang meron. Meron pa tayong tinatawag na Hoodia gordonii. It was derived from cactus, people. Okay? Nakikita pa yun usually po sa Africa po. Anong function po nito? Ang Hoodia gordonii po is from cactus. It is said to be containing steroidal glycoside, the P57 factor. Ano yung P57 factor? An appetite suppressant. It will try to inhibit a part of your brain responsible for your appetite. Maliwanag ko tayo doon. And if you're going to analyze, yung part po talaga ng utak natin na tinatawag pating center for appetite is your hypothalamus. Maliwanag ko tayo doon. So, ang ginagawa nitong ating produkto, ini-inhibit yung gana mo natin para kumain. People, Even if there are so many delicious foods on the dining table, I assure you, you will become picky and choosy on the type of food that you will eat. Maliwanag ko tayo lang. Pero simple pakiusap ko, please, you must eat a little. Maliwanag po tayo. Why? Kasi kung hindi ka kakain ng mangyayari sa'yo, manghihina pa ho. Maliwanag ko ba tayo doon? Siyempre, mas maganda. As you're taking the product, you're also trying to wash out your weight. Maliwanag ko tayo doon. At tingnan mo rin, dapat hindi ka manghihina, dapat functional ka pa rin po. Maliwanag ko ba tayo? Now, the major question is, people, paano natin gagamitin yan? Okay? Kung gusto kong pumaya, how will I make use of the product? Okay. It is based on your ideal body weight. Pag sinabing ideal body weight, ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito, height, weight. Maliwanag po tayo. Ang timbang mo pala, dapat nakadepende sa height mo. Maliwanag po tayo doon. Okay. Para magandang usapan, babae muna pag-usapan natin. Ang isang 5 flat toe na babae, oops, I'm sorry po. Okay? Ang isang 5 flat po na babae, okay? Ang timbang mo dapat 100 pounds. Maliwanag, ladies. For every inch po ng kababaihan, magdadagdag po tayo ng 5 pounds. Are we clear? More than 10%, more than 15%, more than 20%. So, try to analyze. 100 pounds. 5 flat ka. May 10% kang palugit. So, hanggang 110 pwede ka. Tama ho? If your weight will become 111 pounds, anong ibig sabihin nun? Overweight ka na. Maliwanag po tayo. And you must take the product 15 to 30 minutes before breakfast. Maliwanag po tayo. Para busog ka, konti kakainin mo. Ano daw? Paano mo yun? Okay? 116 pounds na ako. Umaga-gabi. And if and ever, lumagpas ka ng 20%, which we call as obesity po, you must take the product 3 times a day. Now, the question is, Doc, baka naman maraming side effects. People, number 1, hindi bibilis ang tibok ng puso mo. Why? No sympathetic effect. Ulitin po natin, no sympathetic effect. It will not cause your heart to pump faster. Maliwanag ko tayo doon. Pangalawa, Doc, baka magka-ulcer ako. No fear, people. Why? No ulcerations. Bakit po? Busog lagi tayo. Nito, paano mangyayaring papayat ka kung busog ka? Tama ba tayo? Guys, kayo ba nakakain na ng Skyflakes? Yes. It contains 130 calories. Ito po, ang isang capsule po nito, na busog ka at wala ang ganang kumain, only contains approximately 2 calories. Konti kinain mo, busog ka, ano mangyari yun? Yung taba nyo ngayon, yung fats nyo ngayon, ang i-convert na katawan mo para maging energy. Maliwanag ba tayo doon? So, itong ibig sabihin, pati yung mga cholesterol natin, nababawasan din. Yes! So, if you're going to analyze people, maganda ba ang pulutan natin Slim and Trim? Yes! Gagamit pa tayo niya, ladies? Yes, definitely. At wala ring LBM. Bakit? Phytonutrients. Hahatak siya ng mga mikrobyo, hahatak siya ng toxin, magandang bowel movements. Okay po tayo. Now, another product that we have. Po, paputian ang usapan. Yes. Sabay-sabay tayo yung tawag dito. White light. Now, sabi nila, Doc, ang naman yung glutathione. Isang katerba na po ang glutathione sa market natin. But guys, ano daw po ba ang difference ng ating produkto? Ganito kasimple lang yan. When you talk about white light, guys, sabi mo ng mga dermatologists, dapat ang gagamitin natin, L-glutathione. What is the meaning of L? Reduced form, easily absorbed by the body. It has 2,500 milligrams. Sabi rin ng mga derma, pag gumagamit tayo ng gluta, dapat daw po may nakalagay na ascorbic acid. It contains 1,000 milligrams. Why? Pag ang glutathione pala, walang ascorbic acid, it cannot be able to penetrate the membrane of the cells. At sa ating po, pinagsama na, at paano mo gagamitin? I-shake mo muna. Sublingual spray. Ito, sublingual spray, ilalim ng dila. Tama ho. Let's try to analyze, guys. Pag masyadong mataas pong blood pressure ng mga parents natin, pag emergency po, mga 240 over 120 ang blood pressure, saan po nilalagay ang gamot? Why? It has so many blood vessels. Small blood vessels, which you call as capillaries. So what will happen? Spray the product 3 times a day. And do not swallow your saliva within 20 seconds to 1 minute. Maliwanag po tayo doon. Let it stay under your tongue. Ano mangyayari? Glutathione will be absorbed in the blood vessels. It will go inside the blood vessels. From there, it will travel and will go to different parts of the body, sa mga cells natin, especially your skin. And when you talk about the skin, people, ito yan eh, tingnan mo ba yan? We have the so-called melanocytes. Okay, ito. Melanocytes. Ulitin ko na tawag dito. Melanocytes. People, if you're going to analyze, ang function ng melanocytes is to produce melanin. Okay? Pakita natin kayo ng mga pictures para mas maganda usapan. Okay. Nasaan po yung mga melanin natin? If you're going to analyze, ayun, no? Nandun yung mga melanocytes. Nasa pinaka-base po ng first layer ng balat kung tawagin epidermis. A better picture, people, ayun yung mga melanocytes natin. Ito. Okay? What else? Ito po. Yan yung magandang picture ng melanocytes. Okay? And guys, what will these melanocytes do? They will store and produce melanin. Maliwanag po tayo. Siyempre, ang kulay po nito, itim. Kaya kung anong kulay mo ngayon, that is because of your melanin. Anong gagawin po ng products natin? Well, ganito kasimple na po yan. Glutathione, okay, with vitamin C, will penetrate your cells, these melanocytes, and will inhibit them from producing melanin. Ibig sabihin po, yung balat na lalabas sa'yo, mas maputi na. Now, the basic question is, Doc, kailan ka puputi? Guys, 2 to 3 months. Nandun ba't napakatagal? Because our skin will change, anatomically speaking, 25 to 45 days after. And 2 to 3 months is a safe answer for all of us. But I assure you guys, in a matter of 2 weeks, magsisimula po mag-lighten ang balat natin. Maliwanag ko ba tayo doon? But again, sabi na ito, paano gamitin po ulit? Okay. Ang glutathione po is also called as GSH, glutathione peroxidase. It's composed of cysteine, glycine, and glutamic acid. Guys, ito po ang paggamit. 3 pops every 4 hours, 4 times a day, 12 pops per day. Waking hours lang po. Pag-gising lang kayo. Maliwanag po tayo. Guys, sabi nila, Dok, per puff, magkanong gluta po ang pasok? Times 7.5 milligrams per puff. So, magkano po ang total? It will give you approximately 90 milligrams per day. Okay? Well, Dok, pwede bang dagdagan? Pwede 5 puffs every 4 hours. Maximum 150 milligrams per day. Now, sabi ng ibang uminom ng oral, Dok, hindi ba medyo mababa yata yung sa inyo? Kasi ang alam namin, pag oral gluta, dapat 10 to 20 milligrams per kilograms per day. So, kung 50 kilos ka, Dok, dapat ang requirement natin, 500 milligrams per day. Tama ba tayo doon? Okay? Baka mas tanongin tayo. Well, tatlurin ko po. Yung sa ating sublingual, what does it mean? Pag pinuff natin yan, hindi mo na dumadaling sa stomach. So, yung effect po ng acid dun sa produkto, nawawala. Pangalawa, hindi mo na dumadaan ng atay. So, yung sabihin nun, it will not go through the so-called first pass effect wherein half of the product will be removed by the liver. Maliwanag po tayo. Saan po dumidiretso? Balat ka agad. Are we clear with that one? Guys, inuulit-ulit ko po. Mamili ka ng part ng katawan mo na pinakamaputi. And usually, kita. At yun po yung part ng gluta o part ng katawan mo na habulin po ng glutathione. Are we clear with that one? Okay. So try to analyze, people. Maganda ba ang mga produkto natin? Yes! Okay. And when you talk about glutathione, people, ito po yan. Yung paputian po, uulit-ulitin ko, is just the side effect of glutathione. Ang talagang talag po ng glutathione is also what? Antioxidant. Okay? Now being used for the treatment of cancer patients. People, gusto mong combination ng antioxidant, anti-cancer, same global? C24/7. White Knight. Remember, ang C24/7 meron din cysteine hydrochloride. Maliwanag po tayo. Dok, pampapayat, pwede rin ba ang C24/7? Yes. Kasi ang C24/7 may resveratrol din po. Pag ininom mo yun, maglalabas kayo ng hormone na tawag adiponectin na susunugin din ang taba mo. So, ang C24/7 pala, Dok, maganda rin combination ng Slim and Trim? Yes. Maliwanag ba tayo? So, try to analyze. Maganda ba ang White Knight? Yes. Are we going to use this, people? Yes. Maganda rin ba ang Slim and Trim? Yes. Gusto mo pang sumexy? Yes. Yes, syempre po. At huling-huli po, mas maganda mo ba ang C24/7? Yes. Inuulit-ulit ko. Gusto niyo ba magkasakit? No! Maganda bang free radicals?
No.
Pangit. Mas maganda bang antioxidants? Do you like people na ang katawan mo healthy? And guys, finally po, maganda bang City Level 7? Gagamit ba tayo ng produkto na yung global? Guys, palakpak po sa ating lahat.